My name's Mark, I'm a body technician, and I work for Craftsman Collision. Wedge clamp is a dedicated frame straightening system comprised of anchoring and pulling equipment. It's a quick and easy system that allows you to restore the vehicle to pre-accident condition. The wedge clamp system is comprised of a frame straightening system and a choice of compact pulling towers that combine ease of use with rugged durability and can pull up to 15 tons. Great thing is, Wedge Clamp has developed a clamp color-coded specifically for all aluminum repairs. Globally distributed, Wedge Clamp is a cost-effective, space-efficient, dedicated frame straightening system. When you're done using the Wedge Clamp system, it goes on the wall and frees up your stall.